Motorhomes and millionaires have always been connected by one core idea: freedom without compromise. When people reach a point where money is no longer the main limitation, what they begin to value most is control. Control over time, control over movement, control over where they wake up tomorrow. And this 6x6 Expedition motorhome is built precisely for that mindset. From the outside, this motorhome doesn't try to impress with flashy curves or unnecessary styling. It looks serious, purposeful, and engineered for real-world use. The 6x6 stance immediately communicates capability. This is not a weekend camper or a luxury toy designed for smooth roads. It's a vehicle meant to travel deep into remote environments, cross rough terrain, and remain reliable no matter where it's taken. Underneath the body, the engineering tells the real story. A reinforced chassis designed to support heavy loads, advanced suspension systems built to absorb extreme terrain, and a drivetrain that keeps traction where normal vehicles would fail. Whether it's long highway stretches, forest trails, rocky paths, or uneven ground, the motorhome remains stable and composed. That confidence on the road is one of the biggest reasons Expedition motorhomes like this are so highly valued. Stepping inside, the atmosphere changes immediately. The interior feels calm, controlled, and intentionally designed. It's the kind of space that immediately makes you trust the vehicle. The cockpit reinforces that feeling. Two forward-facing captain seats are positioned naturally toward the dashboard, with no bulky furniture or distractions behind them. The space is open, clean, and realistic. Natural daylight enters through the windshield, balanced by subtle ambient lighting integrated into the dashboard and footwell. This isn't a racing cockpit or a futuristic concept. It feels like a real, factory-built Expedition vehicle designed for long hours behind the wheel without fatigue. Driving from this position feels calm and predictable. Visibility is clear, controls are within reach, and nothing feels exaggerated or overwhelming. Long-distance travel becomes less stressful, which is exactly what you want in a vehicle built to cover serious ground. Moving into the main living area, the cockpit is separated by a closed door, creating a clear boundary between driving and living. This adds privacy, reduces noise, and allows the lounge to feel like a dedicated space rather than an extension of the front cabin. The lounge itself is compact, logical, and practical. A straight built-in sofa runs along one wall, leaving a clear and usable walkway. Nothing blocks movement. Nothing feels oversized. A single table is fixed securely to the floor, designed to stay stable even when the motorhome is moving over uneven terrain. On the table sits a small flower vase, a simple detail that adds warmth and life without cluttering the space. Soft golden LED lighting runs along the ceiling edges and beneath the seating, creating a cozy atmosphere, especially in the evenings. This is a space designed for recovery after long days on the road. A place to sit down, slow things down, and feel settled again. The kitchen and dining area continues the same philosophy of efficiency and realism. Everything is arranged along one wall to preserve openness and movement. The galley kitchen is built for durability, not show. Matte black cabinetry, reinforced hardware, and a dark composite countertop all signal that this space is meant to be used daily. A compact induction cooktop and deep sink handle cooking needs, while lockable cabinets ensure everything stays secure during travel. Integrated directly into the kitchen wall is a fold-down dining shelf. This serves as the only dining surface, keeping the layout minimal and functional. Two compact stools fit neatly beneath it when not in use, maintaining a clear walkway. Once again, a small flower vase adds a human touch without turning the space into decorative excess. This is Expedition living done right, efficient, flexible, and realistic. Storage plays a critical role in a motorhome like this. Instead of decorative cabinets, the interior integrates dedicated gear storage zones designed specifically for Expedition use. Lockable compartments, reinforced drawers, and tall utility cabinets provide space for tools, supplies, and equipment without cluttering the living areas. Built-in storage niches keep essential items accessible while ensuring everything stays in place, even when the terrain becomes unpredictable. This kind of storage design is what allows long journeys to remain organized and stress-free. For those who work remotely or manage logistics on the road, the motorhome includes a compact command-style office area. This isn't a corporate workspace. It's a planning zone. A wall-mounted desk supports a single laptop, navigation maps, a notebook, and a coffee mug. Open shelves keep books and essentials within reach. Focused, warm lighting supports concentration without harsh glare. This is where routes are planned, weather is checked, and decisions are made calmly. The bedroom is designed as a secure and restful retreat. The bed is fixed in place, framed by reinforced wall panels that help the space feel solid and protected. Two bedside tables sit on either side, creating balance and practicality. One holds a warm bedside lamp, while the other supports a small personal item. An additional slim wall-mounted ledge provides extra space for essentials like a phone or flashlight. That underbed lighting creates a subtle floating effect that makes the room feel lighter and more spacious. Heavy-duty curtains cover the blacked-out side windows, ensuring privacy and blocking unwanted light. The ceiling features a solid, sculpted panel design with integrated recessed lighting. There are no skylights or ceiling windows. This choice improves insulation and reinforces the feeling of safety and enclosure, especially when parked in remote locations. The bathroom follows strict expedition logic. This is a true wet bath designed for daily use, not display. There is no seating and no wasted space. A wall-mounted commode seat saves room while remaining practical. A compact sink, mirrored wall, and enclosed shower area fit together efficiently. Durable materials and warm ambient lighting prevent the space from feeling cold or clinical, while remaining easy to clean and maintain. Everything about this motorhome feels intentional. Nothing exists just to look good. Every decision serves a purpose. That's what separates serious expedition motorhomes from luxury concepts that fall apart in real-world use. When it comes to pricing, vehicles like this operate in a different category entirely. With a 6x6 drivetrain, reinforced engineering, and custom expedition-grade interiors, pricing typically starts in the high six-figure range and can easily extend into seven figures depending on configuration. But for the people who choose a motorhome like this, the value isn't measured in numbers, that it's measured in independence and safety, in the ability to travel anywhere without asking permission from the road. So here's the real question. If you could take your home deep into the wild, cross continents, and still sleep comfortably every night, would you choose a 6x6 expedition motorhome like this? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more luxury and expedition motorhome content, and I'll see you in the next one.